Wrestling.
And tonight we have some exciting matches for you again lined up as usual. We have Roboto versus Zorro. We have the Smoky Mountain Brothers fighting the very, very exciting Max Buaya and Juan Duwag. And we have another match. Which is the other match we have?
Ito, yung Roboto versus Macho Franco.
Roboto, Macho Franco.
And team. Kombinasyon nila Max Buaya and Juan Duwag and the Smoky Mountain Brothers.
Before we go on, we would like to direct your attention to our special guest. And if you'll notice behind me, everybody's looking back there, and there's a reason for that, because we have one of the funniest men I've ever met, Mr. Jimmy Fabregas, with a very special interview with Macho Franco and his new friend.
Ito pong katabi ko po ngayon kapapalit lang po ng damit. Macho na raw sila ngayon, kaya siya yung napili kong interviewin. Pakilayo lang ng konti. Yung insurance ko hindi ko pa nababayaran. Okay. Lapit. Marami po siguro sa inyo nakakaalam na ito pong si Macho Franco po. Dati po ito po ay binabae. Alam niyo po, ang dati pong pangalan niya yata noon es Palaypay. Ayan.
Noon yun. Pero ngayon, hindi na ako si Palaypay. Ako, si Macho Franco. Tandaan nyo yan. Kayong lahat. Tandaan nyo si Macho Franco.
Okay, Macho Franco, ano sa tingin nyo mangyayari dito sa laban nyo ni Roboto?
Si Roboto pa lang makakalaban ko. Pagkatapos ng laban namin ni Roboto, magtatanggal na lang siya ng kalawang sa katawan. Mag-general overhaul siya. Wala yan sa akin. Kung naririnig mo ako, Roboto, humanda ka. Maglagay ka na ng langis. Mag-chainsaw oil ka na.
Ayan, mga kaibigan. Ang fighting words ni Macho Franco. Ngayon, balik tayo kay Johnny at kay Rick.
Thank you very much, Jimmy. Yes, Jimmy, as you can see, he's running away from the interview right now, and he'll be joining us. Jimmy Fabregas, very, very nice man. We'll be right back after a few minutes from our sponsor. Okay,
Pakinggan mo ang sasabihin ko, Roboto. Ngayon ay masasagupa ng brusco power mo ang power ni Macho Franco. Hindi na ito ang dating wrestler na inyong pinagtatawanan noon. Ngayon ay isinilang ang bagong wrestler at nakaguhit sa palad ng aking kapalaran ang pagiging isang kampiyon ng Pinoy Wrestling. At ikaw, Roboto, ang isa sa magiging biktima nito. Tandaan mo, Roboto, si Macho Franco, ang kampiyon ng Pinoy Wrestling.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, weighing 200 pounds of metallic bronze, please welcome to the wrestling arena, Roboto.
Roboto, talagang handang-handa.
Again, we noticed the absence of Dr. Q. You know, you might be right. He might have flown to Japan. Good riddance.
Baka hinahanap niya Johnny yung Roboto power.
Brusco power.
And now, coming up the ring, weighing 230 pounds, the Super Macho Franco.
And the friend of Mr. Fabregas over here.
Yeah, well, wala kaya medyo ako'y natatangtay. Pagod ito, live.
He's got his snake with him. How was it talking to Macho with that snake?
Madali ba, hindi ba bawal yan? Ano, pakasuklawin si Roboto niya, hindi kaya?
No,
Meron naman siyang
he cannot fight with the snake. He cannot fight with the snake.
Panakot lang siguro yan.
That is his new alalay. I think it's more like Rizalana takes care of the snake. As long as they keep the snake away from us, it's okay. Right? Far away, right, Jimmy?
Yes, right. Sinabi ko talaga dapat ako pinapakain niya palagi pa.
Eh kasi ngayon, year of the snake siguro.
Oh, that's
Bagong
why.
gimmick.
No, you see, but the thing is Macho, because he used to be Palagay. Whew! What a fight start.
Talagang nagbago ng image itong Macho Franco, ha? Wow! Wow! What a flip! Galit na galit! Matindi ang pagkaka-talo kagad itong si Macho Franco, ha? Kay Roboto.
I think it's his year of the snake. You see, like I was saying earlier, si Macho, bumawi si Roboto ngayon.
Si Roboto naman ngayon.
Si Macho Franco used to be Palaypay. And I think the snake is a symbol that is really macho now. I mean, it doesn't matter what he has. It's
Ang hirap pala magsalita. Ginagano na talaga.
Nakakagulat, ano?
Oo, medyo, magaling ko si Roboto.
Ikaw ba, Jimmy, normal ang blood pressure mo ngayon? Baka mamaya atakin ka bigla dyan, ha? Ay, nakakatakot itong mapapanood natin. Nako! Matindi sa sikmura. Yung mga tagahanga nitong si Roboto, mabuti daw kay Macho Franco.
Jimmy, I understand last week, the ladies were here. The lady was here. So we were watching them, and one of them didn't like the way you look.
No, it's because she had more hair than me.
Did you get into the ring with those ladies?
No, definitely not.
Why?
I get beaten up, I will get beaten up.
I share the same opinion as you. I would not get in the ring. Let's go to the match now. Roboto's got Macho Franco in his side headlock.
Matindi.
Hindi makagalaw ito si Macho Franco.
Kung wala nang dugo sa mukha ito si Macho Franco, ha? Sa isip ng ayan.
What a good way to get out of that move. But Macho looks like he's still a little dazed.
Pareho magaling itong dalawang
Mahusay. Talagang pinaganda ang ilang mata. Galit na galit itong si Roboto kasi sabi ni Macho Franco kanina magkikis-kis na lang ng tawang daw.
Boy, ano na?
Oh! Ang pakasyon. That was a highlight by Macho Franco on Roboto.
Alam mo yung mga sinasabi nila na choreograph daw yung mga laban gano'n na hindi na totoo. Nakikita ko, nagkakasakitan pa talaga dito.
Talaga, no?
I'm telling you,